Hey guys, Vass here from Aussie Playground, and today we're going to be running the Vaterra Halix for the very first time. Now I'm going to be running the truck on 2S. Truck is 100% stock with the exception of a couple of little spaces or extra spaces I've put in the shocks just to lift it up a little bit. Now, because the truck comes equipped with AVC, I decided we're going to play a little game. Basically, I'm going to be changing angles during the time that I'm running the truck. Your job is going to be to guess whether or not I'm actually using AVC during different scenes, different shoots that I'm doing with the truck. So good luck. Hope you guys can pick it up. I haven't ran the truck yet, so I don't know how easy or how hard it's going to be to identify, but we shall soon see. that's pretty much it for this running video on 2S. Hope you guys had a good time trying to guess whether I had the AVC on or off. Stay tuned for the next running video where I'll be running 3S.